the morning, one of the best weight loss smoothies you can have is this Peachy Pineapple. The name sounds delicious and it certainly lives up to it. So, a couple of pieces of pineapple that we've cut, they could be frozen if you want, and also some peach, as the name suggests, and some watermelon. Imagine if I'd forgotten the peach. Anyway, then we'll put in some kale to give us, again, iron for energy, fibre, magnesium. So, we're going to put in there some water, and to that we're going to add our magic super ingredient, which is our lean vegan diet protein, in vanilla this time. That's packed full of amino acids and also glutamine for recovery and to soothe the tummy. We're going to blast that for 30 seconds. So in the morning, you want a weight loss smoothie that is going to keep you full, and this one will, but it will keep you full in a delicious way as well.